Hi, in this video I will talk about stack and solve a problem from code forces on stack. So let's start. So what is stack? A stack is a data structure that provides two of on-time operation. Uh, One is adding an element to the top and another one is removing an element from the top. So it is important that it is only possible to access the top element of a stack, right? So basically we can add element to the top of a stack and remove an element from the top. So we can only access the top element in the stack, and uh, the declaration is like this: is stack, then we have to put the data type and the stack name. Suppose let's name it S, right? uh, okay, let's create a stack, and we can add a element in the stack uh, by s dot push operation. So let's add an integer 5. So it will add 5 to the top of the stack, right? So initially the stack was empty. I just push on element to the stack, so it's the top element of the stack. Let's push another integer, push 7. Okay, so now the top element is 7 and we can access the top element by the top function. So if we print s dot top, it will return as 7, right? Because now in the stack the top element is 7. Then we can remove the top element by s dot pop up function, right? So this pop function removes the top element of a stack. So after this operation it will remove the top element of the stack, and now if we print the top element s dot top, it will return 5. So let's see it in code. Okay, so let's declare a stack data type integer named is. Okay, so let's add some element to the stack. Okay, so for let's add, okay, 3 is enough, and 6, 8. So now here the top element is 8 because we firstly added 4, then 6, then 8. So this is actually the top element. This is will like this: 4, 6 and 8, right? So this is the top element, and if we access the top element, let's print the top, so it should return 8. So let's run the code and it should return 8 because 8 is the top element. Okay, yes, we can see that the result is 8. Now let's pop the top element. so s dot pop pop. And again, if we print the top element, then the pop removes top element, which was 8, right? So now it should return 6. 6 should return 6 because we popped the last element, right? So it should return 6. So let's run the code. Okay, so the answer will be 6. Okay. Yes, and we can see this is 6. And now let's see a problem on code forces. So the problem statement says you have an empty stack of integers, q queries in the following format: push x, so add an element to in the top of the stack, and pop. This is removes the pop removes the, okay, so top element of the stack, top, print the top. Okay, so this is basically I have given a string, right? So I have to do some queries. uh, suppose there are 10 queries, and each query I have a string, so they can be push, pop, or top. So if it is push, then I have to push an element. If it is pop, then I have to pop an element. And if it is top, then I have to print the top of the stack, right? So it is a simple problem. We can compare if s equal uh, push, then what will happen? Then then we will take an integer, right? So we will input integer value and push it to a stack, right? So if it is x, then we'll push x, and if is equal top, we will print top element. And if s equal pop, then we will remove the top element from the stack by s dot pop operation, right? So this is a very simple problem. Let's see the code of this problem. So yes, here is the simple code for the problem. Stack, this is basically from ICPC Assuit University Community Junior Phase On training sheet. So it's a good collection of problems for beginners. Okay, that's for today. Thank you.